The Harper Company wide body wallet in burnt orange and grey. What does it do? How does it do it? And is it any good? All this and more coming next. Welcome to GruncleWorx, the channel that explores everyday gear for the everyday guy. Here's the Harper Co. wide body wallet. This particular one is in burnt orange and grey. Next up is one of my favourites through the lockdown, and that's the Magpul DAKA Essential Wallet in flat dark earth. We also have something a little bit more technologically advanced in the KeySmart Slim Wallet, which comes complete with its own tile-branded Bluetooth tracker. And finally, the Trayvax Armored Summit Wallet in Coyote Brown. You can check out the links to the individual reviews right here. This is a quick comparison of them all together, none of which have any cards or money in. However, the KeySmart does have its slim tile fitted. Now straight off the bat, you can see that the nature of the KeySmart design, along with having the tile inside it, makes it a little thicker than the others. The DAKA is the clear winner here with its minuscule profile when empty. It's hard to gauge the Trayvax when empty simply because it's a sandwich style design. However, it has a nice small overall footprint and a thickness dependent on how many cards you choose to carry. The Harper Company wide body wallet is probably somewhere in between all of these. It has a slightly larger overall footprint, it's thicker than the DAKA and the empty Trayvax, but not the KeySmart. What advantage it does have is uniformity, as it offers a consistent thickness across the entire wallet. As I said earlier, the DAKA has been my go-to wallet during COVID-19 lockdown due to the fact that it is easy to wipe down and disinfect after being out. The downside is that carrying any bills is rather awkward, which isn't a big deal when it comes to store purchases, but I always like a few bills on me just in case. You can see the overall footprint of the Harper wallet is a little larger, but only on the height of the wallet, and to be honest, when you see them separately, you assume the Harper is much bigger, but in reality, there isn't much in it. Just a smidge taller, which actually comes in really handy when it comes to carrying bills. The Harper Company wide body wallet comes in a variety of colours and formats. This one is in burnt orange and grey. If you have seen any of my other videos, you would notice a theme of vibrant orange. I'm sure it will change at some point, but for now, orange is the new black. The wallet has a basic layout, 2 card slots on each side and an internal money slot sandwiched in between. The card slots are lined with an RFID blocking material to keep your information safe. The fit and finish is excellent and appears much higher end than its actual price tag. The material is a really tight woven thread. It is soft to the touch but has a reassuring weight and rigidity to it. The middle internal bill pocket is where it comes into its own. Other wallets have similar functions, but due to the fact the height of this wallet is a little taller than the others, it swallows entire bills with only one fold needed. As you can see here, the card slots have a high quality RFID lining to keep things safe and secure. Here is what it looks like when loaded with what I would take with me on any given day. 4 cards, and 5 or so bills. You can see it obviously increases the thickness slightly, but not so much. Cards are relatively easy to slide in and out of the wallet, even when loaded up with your everyday carry essentials. I love the staggered card slots, meaning that the back card isn't lost deep into a hard to reach spot. And again, all of the slots allow cards to be manipulated in and out without too much hassle, but with a nice positive retention. A quick shake test shows that nothing is wanting to come out or come loose. Harper Ryan suggests up to 5 bills, so I placed 4 $1 bills and 1 $10 bill in the middle slot along with my 4 cards. As you can see, once we pull out the cash, the footprint of the wallet easily accommodates the bills even when folded just once in half. Placing the money back in the wallet is easy enough. Just fold the money in half and then slide in. If we compare that to the DAKA Essentials wallet by Magpul, it's a very different story. The money protrudes out of the top, and if we fold it again a second time, you can see what it does to the overall wallet's thickness. It's the same old story with the KeySmart Slim Wallet. It too will take the money with only one fold, but it will not accommodate all of the bills within the pouch. And if we compare the thickness to the Harper Ryan wallet, the design of the KeySmart makes it much thicker all around. And finally, if we look at the Trayvax Armored Summit wallet, it simply cannot compete from a bill's perspective when looking at one fold. It sticks out like a sore thumb. If we fold the bills once again for a second time, it fits much better and is more practical. It just really adds to the overall thickness, almost doubling it. Here's what it looks like against a fully loaded Harper Company wallet. Overall, I am very impressed with this wallet. Given the versatility and the ability to carry cash bills with no issue and how easy it is to slip in and out of your pocket, this is my new daily driver and something I find myself using each and every day. It's light, it's made of great materials and protects my cards from RFID attacks. It also has an awesome color scheme, which also helps. I would definitely recommend this wallet over some of my more expensive purchases, as I think it offers fantastic value for money. If you've enjoyed this video or found it useful, please leave us some thumbs and consider subscribing as we continue to explore everyday gear for the everyday guy.